Well, I tried. I've
What-
learned to peel potatoes now.
Have you?
Yeah, and I did an egg.
You did an egg? Well, this is a big review, Papa John's. I'm here in Hemel Hempstead, just outside London, and we've stopped off at Papa John's. I've seen the signs enough. You guys are telling me to go there enough. We've been there before, Jess?
I don't think I've ever had one before.
Maybe at an airport once or something, but we don't have one where we live, so we're here to do one. But before I get on with this monumental review, we've got a sponsor for today, which is amazing. TMC Demolition. We're going to put the logo down there. Bless up to them for sponsoring the page. So TMC Demolition are obviously a company that demolish things. They are based in London, Southeast. I've got 55 years worth of experience in the game. They only use seasoned professionals. They're environmentally friendly. I'm going to put a full piece of sales jargon above, but look, they're sponsoring the page. We wouldn't be able to operate without video sponsors. So bless up TMC Demolition. If you're in that game, know anyone in that game, need any work doing like that, check them out. Logo down there, website below. Now, I'm going to go inside and get myself a thin crust cheese pizza. Let's do it. So, here we have the infamous Papa John's pizza. First things first, service. How long does that take? 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Not too bad. We'll take that. Gave us a chance to communicate, talk, get off our phones. Now, we've got a quality seal. Not quite sure about that. Let's see if it... Quality seal with a nice tear on it. Here we go. So I've gone for the large, thin... No, you see, this looks better up my alley. That is the large, thin crust.
Is it an XXL?
Yeah, this is the XXL, so you get 12 slices. I think. Something like that. That's what it was advertised anyway. XXL. Now, pizza lovers out there, if you love a pizza, get in the comments, give it a video a share maybe, or if you're watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button and give us a little thumbs up if you can. What do you think for this? Get in the comments now, please. Let me know what you think.
I think people swear by it, you know.
A lot of people swear by it, Jess. But it is a commercial chain, something we don't normally cover on the page. I get it. However, I think I'm going to really like this. It's thin, but it's not that thin. You know what I mean? It's definitely not a deep crust. Hello, my friend. How are you? It's definitely not a deep crust. But it's still... it needs more... it's not... It's an electric oven, isn't it, Job?
Well, yeah, of course.
All right. Kind of something funny about that floppiness. Right, let's dive in. Give it a score.
Do you know how much it was? Is it $11.99?
$11.99. Okay. First thing I'll say, better than Domino's. Much better than Domino's. I'll tell you why. The sauce has got a really nice sweet flavour to it. It works well. The cheese, nicely spread. It's obviously not high quality stuff. This is a good pizza to have with a few beers and a movie, I think. It's not fancy. It's definitely not what you call a fancy pizza. But, do you know what, I quite like it. Let's not run away with ourselves. The base, the dough, needs more work. It's cooked in the electric oven, so we haven't got any of the couple of blistering over it, bit of blistering going on in the dough, but the dough isn't great. However, it does taste quite nice. Special garlic. Should we try some of that? It's an excuse to get another slice in me as well. All right, look at that.
Butter.
Can you hold the other end of that? So get in the comments, guys. Do you like Papa John's? We don't have one near us, so let's try that. I don't like it, no.
What's the sauce?
Garlic.
I know that, but
What do you mean?
is it like?
Papa John's. What are you asking me?
Don't worry.
In terms of UK pizza, this is not your fancy date pizza. It's probably, I'll say nothing to write home about, but actually it's decent. Ticks a lot of the boxes you want sometimes. You all right, mate?
I've been better, but I don't like tomato.
What's up? What's up? Oh, bloody hell.
Oh.
Look, just so you know, I do food reviews on Facebook.
Oh, do you?
We eat pizza or food and give it a score out of 10. Do you want to take a slice?
No.
Are you
put it
sure?
off me, yeah. Thanks for the same.
If you, just by looking then,
Yeah, it looks lovely.
what would you give it out of 10 on looks alone?
8.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I think that's quite a high score.
No, well, I don't eat pizza very much. As long as it's uniform and it's nice, it's pucker.
Uniform?
Yeah.
I'll say that is pretty uniform. Doesn't look too fancy, does it?
No.
All right, cool. So do you live in Hemel Hempstead?
Yeah, children.
Yeah, nice. Is it a nice place?
It's all right.
What's the food scene like?
Well, I don't cook at all. Her indoors does all.
What about
She's
you?
just had a broken arm, so
Oh, bless
I've
her.
lost a bit of weight.
No, really? You didn't fancy cooking for her then?
Well, I tried. I've
What we-
learned
what-
to peel potatoes now.
Have you?
Yeah, and I did an egg.
You did an egg.
Yeah.
Was that? What else did you do? Anything? What was the most fancy meal you cooked for the lady?
Mashed potatoes and an egg.
Mashed potatoes and an egg. That's
Nice.
quite a unique. That's quite a unique dinner.
Yeah. It's you have to be hungry to eat it. I'll leave it for the day.
That was brilliant. You have to be hungry to eat it. Mashed potato and egg. Thanks. So, what was your name? Sorry. Roger. Roger Ferris.
Take care.
Nice to meet you, Roger. There you go, people. Look after your lady if she cuts crook. Mashed potato and egg. That was brilliant. Right, I want to give this a score. Roger gave this an 8 out of 10, which I think is grossly high, to be fair. But do you know what? I'm going to give this a 7 out of 10. Maybe a 7.1, 7.2, low 7. Just let's call it a 7. Yeah? 7 out of 10. But with flying colours. It's not high quality, but I actually think it's all right. It tasted good. The sauce was lovely. It was sweet, probably artificially sweet, not like the exceptional tomatoes. They probably got some salt in there, some sugars in there to give it that taste. It was a little bit like a Mackey's. Maybe that's a bit of an unjust, but it's on that type of line, you know. It's actually pretty decent. Looks the part. Good with a cold beer, with your mates, maybe watching a film with your missus. Papa John's, I'm glad I come, to be fair. So there we have it. That's a review. Get in the comments, give me some abuse. Get in the comments and let me know if you like the pizza. Just generally get in the comments, have a chat with each other. And thanks to TMC, another little bit of airtime for them, for sponsoring today's video. Couldn't do it without you. And that, ladies and gents,
Oh yeah.
was a review that we nearly didn't have a drink watch. I'm not going to crack it open. Mountain Dew, it's not bad, Jess picked it. I'm not really thirsty, to be fair. There we have it. And that was a review.